Hi everyone, welcome back. So today it's getting late here and I'm here with my mum, and today we're going to be cooking
a creamy tomato salami pasta dish in the Thermomix.
So let's get into it. Hey mum, what's the ingredients?
So here's what you'll need. You'll need half an onion, 1 clove of garlic, half a red capsicum, 100 grams of zucchini, 30 grams of oil, 1 tin of tomatoes, 300 grams of water, 200 grams of cream, 1 tablespoon of vegetable stock, 300 grams of pasta, and 100 grams of thinly sliced salami. So before we start cooking, we like to dress our dish with cheese. So before we start, we're going to blitz it in the Thermomix quickly.
Let's get the inverter on. We're putting 100 grams of cheese into the Thermi. After grating the cheese, we're going to put it aside. Now we're going to place the onion, garlic, zucchini and capsicum into the Thermomix bowl to chop it up. Now we're going to scrape the excess down the bowl. Now we're going to add 30 grams of oil to the Thermomix.
Okay, now we're just going to saute the veggies for 2 minutes at 100 degrees on speed 1.
While that's sauteing, now we're going to open the tomatoes. We're going to add the tomatoes.
Addie's added the tomatoes. Now the kids are a little bit fussy when it comes to tomatoes. They don't like chunky bits, so we're just going to blitz them for a second to make them smaller.
We're just going to use the tomato tin to fill up the water. Now we're going to use the scales to measure out 300 grams of water. Now we're just going to add 1 tablespoon of veggie stock. Now that's been cooking for 10 minutes, now we're just going to add the pasta and salami.
Now Addie's going to cook this mixture for 10 minutes at 100 degrees on speed 1. Set it up, Ads. And now we can go and do something. Okay guys, so depending what brand of pasta you buy, it can take longer. So we've had to put this on for how much longer, Addie?
Another 10 minutes.
Ooh, another quick game of What do you reckon?
Yay. Change your colour to red.
Oh. Okay Ads, now we've finished cooking that for the additional 10 minutes. We're going to pour it into the thermo server, top it with the cheese, and then we're ready to dish it up. Bet we top that with some cheese, Addie? Looks delicious. Good job, Ads.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hi everyone, welcome back. So today it's getting late here and we're going to be making... Oh no!